Traders, we're going to start by analyzing the market again today. Let's start with the first pair as usual. I said I'll be avoiding XAU for some time because the market seems unstable, so we just keep skipping it for some time now. So if you are looking for fast trading, I'm not here to do these fast things. I'll just try to take it slow, consistent, and with the little pairs, making one race to three, one race to three daily, and always bagging something home just to have something every day. So I'm not looking for 1:20 today. I'm just looking for 1:3. So let's analyze the markets together. Let's see what GBP is saying. GBP if you check the daily time frame, remember we took this trade on GBP. Was it this week? Yeah, and we had 1:3 before closing at night. Now on the daily time frame, it seems market is coming back to test this zone. This was why I even say I even allow us to close that night because I knew market will come down to retest this zone, which is going to be very risky for us. So I don't want us to just hold trade and after making profit, the next thing you will lose all the profit to the market. Now on the 1 hour time frame, there's no entry for now, so we'll just keep waiting and see what happens today. Today is already Thursday, only one day left. Tomorrow is Friday, and that will be the end of the week. But the week was not bad. Yeah, it's a good one, though we did not take much trade this week, and that's very good. On the daily time frame for Euro USD, market tested this zone already, but I wanted to test this place before we can look for a reversal. So on the 1 hour time frame, we should be looking for more sell. There's no entry for sell yet, so we just keep this for now. On the GBP USD, you can see clearly a market tested this, does not test this zone, so we should be looking for more sell on GBP USD. If you go to the 1 hour, this should be a sell here. This should be FVG and this should be the other block. This liquidity should be what will trigger the sell to come up and start selling from there. So let's see what's going to happen today. If market is going to come to this place I want it to come. We have this break of structure here, VOS, and we have this FVG here. Want market to come and fill up. Then this other block here, we want to market to come and respect. So if you check the 15 minutes time frame, what are we seeing on 15 minutes? This is the last bullish candle here. I guess market respected this bullish candle. It did not respect this bullish candle. So in this case now, might choose to wait on this candle because this candle was not respected, and there's a liquidity at this top here. So to clear this liquidity, you just have to wait at the top. Let me see something on the 1 hour time frame. So most traders will put their entry here waiting for their stop loss to be here. So we are already above their SL. So we might be using them as liquidity, but if market does not respect us, then it will be a missed entry. Just to use a small SL, you have to look for something at the top. So it should be our what we'll be waiting for today. Let me set an alarm, and when it comes to that point, I will let you guys know. But if it does not come to this point today, you already know the game. You just have to wait, and it has the kind of sign it's going to give. We just have to close it and leave it, just like GBP yesterday. Well, I asked you guys to close GBP yesterday. It respected the 4 hours zone, respected the other block for 4 hours, and left the one for 1 hour. So we just have to close. Make we no go stress ourselves. If you check AUDJPY, what is AUDJPY saying? On AUDJPY, there's no entry on 1 hour, but let's see what the daily time frame is saying. Seems to be more of an uptrend. Let's just wait and see what happens here later in the day. NZD there's no entry on 1 hour as well. On the daily time frame, it's going to buy, more of a buy. So let's wait and see what happens. 1 hour, nothing. On the Euro GBP, we already had an entry. We're waiting for an entry here, waiting to sell from this point. But if we see a break of structure, this is a break of structure, but I don't want to take this because this is not really clear for me to take. So if we see a clear break of structure on this trade, we can look for a buy. But it will be better we just wait for our sell to happen instead of looking for a buy, scalping a buy up to that point. Let's just give it some time. If this structure is respected, we'll look for another break, a break above this. Then we can look for a buy if we want to scalp it to that point. CAD JPY, on CAD JPY, there is no entry for now. On the daily time frame, it's not showing anything yet. Okay, it seems more like a buy, more of a buy. On 4 hours, there's no break of structure, no clear break of structure as well to buy. GBP CHF, our trade we missed yesterday, like I said. On the daily time frame, more of a sell. Also, we are waiting for a sell yesterday. As you can see, the 4 hours time frame. Look at the other block on 4 hours. It respected this other block and start moving down. But this was where we are waiting for on 1 hour. This other block it did not come that far. Just left that one and kept coming down. So if it comes back to this place, that means it's coming back to clear this off and keep going up. But if it does not come back, to keep dumping to this point, or it might stop here. Since it respected 4 hours, it's just going to keep selling. So let's just leave that for now. On AUD USD, what are we seeing on AUD USD? There was a break of structure here, a fair value gap, and this is the other block. But market did not come that far before reversing. So let's just leave that one for now and see. Let's check the daily time frame and see the trend. Seems more like a buy instead, more of a buy. So if it's going to be a buy, then this is a break of structure and this is the other block. If you check it on 1 hour, you see this break of structure is not clear on 1 hour, so we just wait for it. It's coming down to respect this other block, but we'll just wait for it to give us another break of structure, then we can continue if we want to trade it. That was why you missed that other block at the top. On this AUD card, there's no entry as well for now. It's more of a buy, but no entry. You can see the break of structure on 4 hours as well, but it's not clear on 1 hour, so we just let it be. It's coming to respect this other block and to start going up. USD JPY, on USD JPY, what are we seeing? No structure for now. On USD card, seems this is a break of structure, but I don't want to take this trade. I'm not sure of this trade, so I don't want to take it. But I'm seeing a break of structure and I'm seeing this other block here, so it's going to be more buy to that top. And 4 hours, 4 hours is showing nothing for now. Respect just came down to this point and you should buy to that point. So taking a sell from here is like you see motor dey go Bauchi, tell am say make e carry you go east. So we should not take that risk, just let it be. And CHF JPY, there's no structure for now on CHF JPY. If you see the daily time frame, what's the daily time frame saying? This is not a sell because it did not respect this. We are waiting for a sell on this yesterday as well. Thank God we did not take that sell because as I noticed this other block here as well, and market as well did not respect the other block I was waiting for 1 hour. So it's not going to be a sell yet. Just wait for it and see what happens. That's why I say we should cancel. On the Euro card is nothing for now as well. Let's just keep waiting and see what happens. It seems it's still dumping. 4 hours, you see, it's still dumping. No entry for now. CAD CHF, on CAD CHF, there is nothing for now as well. So we just keep waiting. See, we took less trade this week. No much trade. Unlike last week, we are taking back to back. We are just full. So it happens like that most times. On Euro CHF, remember we are still waiting for this sell, which has not happened. And I said if markets respect this other block here, we're going to close. And it does not respect the other block. So if you respect this other block, you're going to close the sell and just wait for entry for a buy. On AUD CHF, on the daily time frame, what are we seeing? More of a buy, more of a buy. So on the 1 hour, there's no entry for now. We should just keep waiting. GBP AUD, on GBP AUD, what are we seeing? BND, it seems more of a sell. It's going to be more sell. We gave a break of structure here on 4 hours, and this is the other block which it has respected. So it's change of character to the upside. And this break of structure is another block. It has not come that far to respect it. On GBP card, what are we seeing on GBP card? On GBP card, there is no entry as well. We check daily time frame, 4 hours. It seems more of a sell, but you know, it respected this other block here, and it's still dumping. So there's no entry for now on GBP CHF. On NZD USD, this is an old trade already. There's no entry as well for now. On 4 hours, I was just saying on 4 hours, It's more of a sell because you respect that order block on 4 hours and kept selling. You need to sell down, this order block and kept dumping. So if you check the 1 hour, there's nothing for now. Except this went down and we have a break of structure from here and use this as fair value gap and look for another block here. Let's see what happens later today. On NZD CHF, remember this trade has been ranging in this box here before it broke down due to the Iran and USA fight. It broke down to this place and kept ranging. But the other block is at the top. We are expecting it. There's no break of structure yet, so just keep waiting. On Euro JPY, Euro JPY daily time frame, more of it's going to buy to this point before it starts selling, but it's already started selling because it's coming to respect this other block. Let's see if 1 hour give us a break of structure. No break of structure to the upside yet, so just wait for it to happen. On AUD NZD, AUD NZD, AUD NZD, there is nothing for now. If you check the daily time frame, seems more of a buy. Going to sell a bit to this point, but does not start selling. No break of structure to sell yet. There's no change of character to sell, sorry, except this change of character here, which is not clear enough for me to enter. But I expected this other block, so let's wait for that change of character. That will be very clear to take. NZD card, an NZD card, daily time frame, more sales coming. 4 hours, no entry yet, and 1 hour, no entry. GBP NZD, GBP NZD will sell to this point, and okay, it already respected this other block here. It respected this other block here, and it's buying already. So it might give us another break of structure here, and we can look for a buy from this point. On the Euro UN NZD, we have been on this trade since last night. So you see, it went to close to our stop loss and reverse. I guess you all are still holding. So let's see how it goes today. This bullish candle is giving me clear sign to keep buying, because if we check the 15 minutes, it's already giving more signs to keep buying. Just keep holding the buy. Today might be a sweet day for us if it gives us 126. So let's see what happens. On Euro AUD, there is no entry as well for now. Let's check the daily time frame. No entry for now. More of a sell. 4 hours, no entry yet. 1 hour, no entry yet. So let's respect this other block and keep coming down, which will not take it. So we'll just wait for more confirmation. On USD CHF, no entry. Remember, we're waiting for it to sell to this point. And I said if we can see a change of character from here, we can enter for a sell and keep selling till we get to this side. So that will be all for today. There is